2b, I've written out the integral of sine inverse. You should see that this looks really similar. The only real difference, so this is a not a 9, even though it kind of looks like a 9. Anyway, the only difference here is that I've got an x squared and a 1 versus an x to the 6th and a 4x squared. So what I'm going to notice is that I can write x to the 6th as x cubed squared. And then you should see that I actually get a u sub here, right? So I've got 9 minus junk squared, this squared, and then I've got junk's derivative down here. So let me get rid of that. Boom, 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 boom. So I'm going to look for u sub, and I'm going to let my u equal that x cubed right there. So u equals x cubed. That makes du equal to 3x squared. Notice I've got a 4, so I'm going to multiply by 4/3. 4/3 du equals 4x squared. Now I can sub this in there, but in this form, and I can sub this in there, but in that form. So what that gives me is this is equal to the integral. I'm going to take the 4/3, put it out front. I'm going to draw my fraction bar. I have I've taken care of part of this. I've taken care of the 4/3 part, like I'm trying to replace this. Need to have the du in there. So I'm going to put my du up top. And now I'm going to go and write my root 9 minus. Now I'm just going to replace this x, well, this x to the 6 is really this x cubed squared, right? So I'm going to replace this x cubed with a u. So what I'm going to have is u squared, which, now this is just, notice it's very much in this form right here. Just I should probably have a dx in this thing right here, but I'm not going to write it. So this is, well, it's sine inverse with a 4/3 out front. And then I just need to identify my x and my a. So it is u over, I need the square root, the 9, to get 3, and plus c. So see, I'm just going to replace my u with what I originally let u be, and that gives me 4/3 sine inverse of x cubed over 3 plus c. And we're done. You got to be good with the u sub ones. I think that you guys are getting better at them. I think c is a u sub as well.